Colombia, Cartagena. It's our first place here, and we heard of this volcano from other friends that been here. We saw the pictures of the muddy bodies and came here.
You jump into a mud bath, you can completely float, you can lie down on your back. They completely massage you all over, rub it all over your face, and you completely float.
It's really weird. It's cool, it's kind of warm, really soft. It's nice.
Great. It's good for the skin and the hair. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry. Better for the skin. And then we're gonna wash it over there. Kind of a bath. Yeah. I enjoyed it.